guys, and welcome back. And today we're gonna do a little update, real quick, just a little update. So right now there's actually freezing rain, or probably yellow ice. Oh, I just lost it again, bruh, bruh. There we go. It's near the DFW area right now. Right here. Oh, well, I already passed. I already passed. Oh shit! What am I drawing? Where am I drawing skills? My drawing? Oh, right there. Wait, bro, it just disappeared again. Bro. Bro. Okay, there we go. Like I said, you already make a video, but it didn't have audio because I forgot to turn on my mic. Turn on. There we go. So there's sleet or ice right here near DFW. You near DFW. So there is rain, but yeah, it should be ramping up later because a lot of moisture is gonna be entering the atmosphere, I think, and it's gonna help the storms a lot grow here. And so when they are moving this way, the moisture when it's coming in, it will hit the storm that's passing. It'll make it grow larger, not the size where I'm drawing right now, but yeah, and it's gonna include all of these areas. Probably, but yeah, it's gonna grow larger, so we are cut. The worst spots are maybe here and here. I don't know, okay? But yeah, it's gonna grow super big, and we're gonna get all cooked in DFW. The spots have been losing electricity is right over here. There's a lot of they lost electricity. There was a storm. There was an ice storm, I think, and we were there, and when it passed through, and it lost all electricity was lost here. For like 4 to 5 thousand people without power over there. So these storms are gonna be moving this way, and then as the moisture comes in, that's gonna help them grow. So when they're here, it's probably gonna extend backwards. Or from now on, there's a ice storm here. When this one has turned, oh bro. There's an ice storm here, when the moisture enters, then it grows size up a lot, grows size up a lot. So yeah, let's see electricity. Um, which map? This is the wrong one I used. I used another one. It's this one. Yeah, it's this one. So interactive. See, a lot of people have been losing electricity here. 5,405, 5,753, 206, 2,665, 4,344, 4,982 on here, 1,968, 2,885, 4,120, 3,574, 1,000 and Fort Worth 6,272, and Dallas 1,000 1,071 1,071 people have lost. Yeah, it's a little crazy. Oh, here's electricity. Is this Lubbock? No. 120 people has lost power here. 95 and 51. So yeah, let's see the freeways. This is just a quick update. Remember, this is quick update. Okay, let's see. This has cameras too. So yellow means A bit of traffic. You'll probably see still traffic. Green means yes, you're free to go. Just drive safely. Red means the freeway is probably closed. The road is probably closed, or there was a big accident. Both lanes on there, man. So there's cameras. This camera's looking over there. So yeah, there's a lot of ice there. There's a lot of so yeah. Be careful when they're driving the freeway. It's all Fort Worth. This side of Fort Worth is probably gonna get worse. Or and between this is wave one. Wave two is coming later. So yeah, we're all cooked. I'm gonna do an update later. So yeah, I was just gonna show you this because we're all cooked and we're all cooked and we're so cooked. Nothing else to say. Okay? Yeah, we're all cooked. So yeah, I see ya because